Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Alright family, we're back at the 7-yard line today, back on the indoor version, as you can see. And this time, we are doing an actual Red Ryder. We'll do these in the year of production order. So first off is my November 1998 production Red Ryder. First, pick a few ciders. See where we're at on here. Oh, interesting. Little couple more ciders. See if we can't get that up. Just not where it was shooting yesterday with the same hold. There and there. All right. See if we can't. How we do. We do have some issues with the sights on this one. Why I tried to fix them yesterday. And when I finished yesterday, I was shooting 2 inches low or I was shooting 2 inches high and 2 inches to the right. Today it just seems to be shooting 2 inches to the right. There's a misfire. Two. 3. 4. 5. Well, not nearly as far over as it had been, I suppose. Alright, onto the left lamp. We'll just keep going. Nope, misfire. Another misfire. 3. 4. 5. Right onto the right hand one. Getting a lot of misfires today. 2. 3. 4. 5. Well, I'm not doing great, but we're not doing terrible. Let's go on to the Life Boy. One, two, three, four. I'm wondering if some of the stock screws were loose and I tightened them yesterday. Thought I shot afterwards. Alright, onto our decoder ring. One, two, three, four, five. Alright, see if old Papa can finally get a bonus point. There we go. That's all of our shots. I missed that bonus point. Color me surprised. Let's go ahead and take the target. We'll go add up the points and we'll close out this video. See you in just a moment, folks. Alright, so we got all of our points added up, totaled up for our Red Ryder. This is the one manufactured November '98. Did better than I expected, family. So, here we go. See, we got a total of 30 points. So we got 1, 2. That's all that were on the leg lamp. Our other ones went here, here, and here. So 6 points. We managed 1, 2, 3 on this leg lamp for another 6 points. So we just missed just off the corner over here. So only got 2 on this leg lamp for 4 points. This is the one that impressed me. I had to rewatch through the video a few times. So I'm like, I'm missing some shots. I see 1, 2, 3. Come find out, family, as I watched. You probably already saw this, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 shots on the Life Boy. And then we managed 2 shots right here on the decoder ring, with the other 3 just missing. So another 6 points. Off to the right on the heel. This is a new best for old Papa, 30 points. Still not that 40 so I can go pro, but we're getting close. So there's still a little time left to get out there and join into the Red Ryder Challenge. Hazzbro putting on. Go to hasbroshide.com, download the target, and then you can either upload a video or you can take a picture and send that picture to Hazzbro. His email is listed there on his website, and then you can get on the leaderboard too. He is doing a raffle for all participants to win the Christmas Wish edition of the Red Ryder. There are 2 of those up in the drawing, and he's got some other prizes as well. So, not too late to get your chance to win one of those prizes. And thanks again to Hasbro's Hide for putting on this fun challenge. It's definitely been a joy. Anyway, we'll catch you next time, family.